can you please do a first-person view of Big Thunder Mountain doing commentary in the Bob accent?
Oh my god.
That's a loaded question, because what should I start with the Bob accent? Because we all know it goes one way and just leads into whatever it feels like.
Well, I think that's just dealer's choice, really.
Yeah.
I mean, like, I don't think there's
right.
any real requirement. They're like, you could recite the Declaration of Actually, you should recite the Declaration of Independence in the Bob accent in a first person on Big Thunder Mountain. And then at the end of it, you go, testicles! And that's it. That's the entire...
Can you imagine waiting 2 hours to get onto Big Thunder Mountain? You finally do. And this guy behind you, this fat guy in a Hawaiian shirt, is yelling at the top of his lungs. The Declaration of Independence.
I think they would close
in an accent
the park, wouldn't they?
I desperately need this to be a real thing. Like,
oh god, not upload it on the 4th of July.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Can you hold my hat? Thank you. Happy 4th of July. Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh, geez. I can't do it. I can't do it. All right, I'll wait. All right. Well, yeah. Within the course of human events, it becomes necessary for one people to dissolve the political bonds which have connected them to one another, to assume among the powers of earth the separate and equal station for which the laws of nature and equal station to which, I'm reading that again, the laws of nature and nature's God entitled them. But the certain respect of the opinions of mankind require that they go up and down. Oh, geez, I can't read. Okay. A decent respect to the opinions of mankind requires that they should declare the causes which impel them, the separation. We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their creator with a certain unalienable rights that allow them the life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. Hey, I think that's all I can do. Happy 4th of July, guys.